Hello inventors, in this video I'm going to show you one app demo. Using this app you can save your all messages and OTPs on the server. You can save your family and friends OTPs and the message also on your server. So how we can do this? Okay, and this trick is used by some hackers. So this app demo will guide you how to save yourself from hackers. So as you can see here, that's my app screen, and in the bottom you'll find the your message. So suppose I have installed that app on my phone, okay, in the another phone. So what I will do, I will send some message to this phone, okay. So suppose let me just send one message, okay. So as you can see, I have just sent one message. This is just a test message, and whenever I receive that message, that received on my app also, as you can see, let me just show you. As you can see here, this is just a test message I have received, okay, and the same message I have received on my phone app, okay. This app automatically sent to the server. As you can see here, we have Firebase server, and this is just a test message, okay. So this is the app we are going to create, okay. So if you need any help on that, so just comment on the video, or if you want to add some features, so just comment on the video. I'll try my best to add all these features. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.